Julian Meir from Automated Marking, coming to you with another technical tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through how to properly clean and store our cartridges, and anytime that you have the cartridges, how to keep them in the best condition possible. So the cartridge comes like this with this plastic cartridge clip. So to use it, you're going to take it off. During printing, or when you're first inserting the cartridge, or if it's been left in the printer for hours and hours or even over the weekend, and the nozzles here, you can see these two nozzle rows, there's one nozzle row and two nozzle rows, become clogged. Right now you can see they're very clean, but if they become clogged, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take one of our tech wipes and you're going to take the cartridge, and I like to wipe this direction so you don't risk getting ink back onto these contacts and the smart card. So you're gonna wipe with the nozzles, not across. And what you wanna see is two clean black streaks of ink. And I'll do that again. So you're just light pressure, and then you're gonna see two streaks of ink. And now you can see the nozzle plate here, those two nozzle rows are completely clean. Again, to store the cartridge, let's say you're not producing product during the weekend, so Friday afternoon or evening, you just take the cartridge out of the printer, snap it in, and you store it nozzles up, and that's going to give you the best longevity in the cartridge. A couple other key tips. The cartridge does have a foil bag inside, so if you slam it onto the ground, it's possible to break that bag, so you don't want to smash the cartridge on the ground. The other thing is, because of how a thermal inkjet cartridge works, you don't want to really shake the cartridge a lot for any reason, because that can create air bubbles and then air pockets and lead to poor print quality. So again, best practices are just storing with the clip on. If for any reason you clog, just simply wiping that cartridge nozzle. You want to make sure that these contacts down here are always clean, and when you're printing that these nozzles are always clean. If for any reason you have a ton of ink buildup on the nozzle plate, let's say you purged the printer, or you have a lot of dust in your environment, what you might need to do is use a little 99% isopropyl alcohol, put it on the tech wipe, and that will help dissolve that ink since it's an alcohol-based ink. Never use any other solvents other than a 99% isopropyl alcohol. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you to keep your cartridges in good working order.